Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.9, Problem 12. This is Section 4.9, Problem 12. It says, find the final amount for $10,000 invested at 12% simple interest for 20 years. So the first part of any of these finance problems, which of the two formulas used? Simple interest formula or compound interest formula? As you read the question carefully, it should be clear. This one says simple interest, so we are going to use the simple interest formula, which is I equals PRT. I is the interest earned, which we will find. P is the principal or initial investment, which for this problem is $10,000. R is the rate as a decimal. So this says 12%. So as a decimal, 12% is 0.12. Then times T. T is time in years. So time in years, that's 20 because it says 20 years. So we have to multiply 10,000 times 0.12 times 20. And most teachers will let you use a calculator for this. This one isn't too bad. So you just multiply right across. Put the 10,000 on your screen first times 0.12. It's going to give you 1,200. Just leave 1,200 on the screen, go times 20. And it'll tell you that the answer is 24,000. Now, you have to be a little careful because that's not really the final answer. That's the value for I, the interest earned. 20 years is a long time, so you put in 10,000 at 12% simple interest and it'll generate $24,000 of interest. The question says find the final amount though, not find the interest earned. So that final amount is equal to the principal or initial investment plus the interest earned, I. So the principal is 10,000, that's what you put in initially to start the investment, and after 20 years it earns $24,000 of interest, more than the initial investment, and combined that's 34,000. Now again, because it's a question about money, I'll put a dollar symbol and I'll write it nicely, 34,000, I'll put in the comma and even say no cents. So if you invest $10,000 at 12% simple interest, after 20 years you'll have a total amount of $34,000, which is quite a bit, but 20 years is a very long time. Now, the next question compares this same amount of money, same amount of time, same interest, but it's compounded. And you'll see that it's a much bigger answer if you compound it. So if you're curious, take a look at problem 13.